Hello, welcome to, I think it's the 17th tutorial in Microsoft Visual Basic .NET programming, and we're going to learn the last of the loops. And I know loops are boring, but once you get them out of the way, there's a lot of fun stuff coming in VB.NET. And actually, at the end, no, actually, in my next video, I'm going to tell you all the things I'm going to be covering, so get ready for that. Anyway, this is the do until loop. I think that's the only one we haven't covered. I'm not too sure. I hope it is anyway. So we'll just create a new project called the do until, and this is basically exactly the same as the do while, but it is different. There's tiny differences that you'll notice now. So we'll call this do until the button and double click it. Okay, so first we're going to declare num, just call it num as an integer equals 0, no, just put it as 1, and then we'll have do until num equals 5, and then you'll have the loop here as well. So you should know what this loop means and what we're actually trying to do here if you watch a previous tutorial. If not, I'll go over it in a second. So we're going to message box.show. The value of num is, then we have the ampersand and num, and then num equals num plus 1. Okay, so let's go over this. First of all, we're declaring num as an integer and giving it the value of 1, and then we're going to tell this code, okay, you want to do this code until num has the value of 5. So first it's going to message box the value of num, and first of all it'll be 1, and then it's going to add 1 to num, and then it's going to loop the code. So when it comes back up here, num will be 2, and it's going to message box it's 2, and then add 1 more to make it 3, etc, etc. So let's play this and you'll see how it works. Okay, so we'll click it. Right, the value of num is 1, value of num is 2, 3, 4, and then that's it. Because it was 5, it didn't do it anymore. Because if we add 1, if it's 4 and then we add 1 and it loops, it's saying do until num is 5, and num is already 5, so that's the end of it. So it's pretty much the same as the do while, but you know, it's different. You'll find really good uses for it when you get into VB.NET programming, so it's just a thing you really need to know. So thanks for watching, and please comment if you have any questions or suggestions or requests. Rate the video however whatever stars you feel it deserves, and then subscribe to the channel. Thanks.